So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of blurred screen on your Windows laptop or computer or any Windows device that you have. Now, for example, this is my monitor. If it looks blurred to me, that means the calibration of the Windows resolutions to the monitor is not set. Now, in order to fix that, just simply right click on the start menu, right click on the home screen and click on this option of display settings. Here you need to go to this option of display resolution and make sure that that is set to the recommended values. If you tweak it to any of the other value, it will definitely cause some problems for you. Now this is one method. Another method, all you can do, just simply click on device manager and make sure that the display adapters are updated. Update both of the drivers that you have. Just simply click on this option of update driver. You can search automatically for drivers update and give a restart to your computer. That will definitely solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.